that there was something in the order of 130,000 kilometers of track supported by GSMR. And I think you mentioned 90,000 in-cab radios. This is a massive undertaking to replace all of this, isn't it? I mean, how do you foresee this rolling out? And will there be co-working, do you think, between GSMR and FRMCS? How will this, in your view, how will this sort of roll out? What will the timeframes for this massive undertaking be, do you think?
Well, you asked me three things, so let me try to take them one by one. So we have our stats based on ERIC. So basically the heads of telecom, done it when I was in Rail, are providing statistics. So the statistics should be very reliable because I was providing very reliable network statistics to UIC. And it's not the UIC, the statistics for the railways. It's available for all the UIC members. So it is covering almost all Europe. It's more than 200,000 kilometers of track out of Europe.
Wow.
So it's going to be difficult to replace because the masts are approaching also end of life. And so the mast needs repairs. We might need a densification of the masts. And then we might need to add a radio, in some cases, modified existing radio, but very limited cases. This is a discussion if it would be possible or not. But anyway, the onboard from FRMCS is designed to be a different entity, logically, not physically speaking, from the GSMR cab radio or EDOR. So for railways being so complex and complicated, where you need, if you need to work on masts or you need to have new masts, you need approvals and you need administration, local communities to agree to put new masts and all those things that you have to do as a railway, which is normal. So this will take a lot of time and there will be quite a budget for Europe. So obviously there will be a period where GSMR and FRMCS will work together. We are working to ETSI technical specification to design the interworking between the two systems. So we have operational cases where on a piece of track we're going to have a percentage of FRMCS and a percentage of GSMR trains. So this will be normal. We will respect the operational rules. The train driver doesn't need to feel a difference unless other things than operational. So we are designing technically an operational coexistence period that I think it will last a number of years. Also, I don't want to get in this and to say figure because it's a touchy subject. In the TSI now the migration is clarified as number of years. However, depending on a number of factors, it is possible that this number of years, the equation would vary. The final result would be the same. So there will be GSMR in Europe at least until 2030, 2032, maybe 2035. There are countries with huge networks like UK, like Germany, like France, Spain, Italy. 10, 15, 30,000 kilometers of track. So it's not easy to densify 30,000 kilometers of track. So the migration will be complex and it's going to take some time. And to make it work, we have a stage 1 to design the system and stage 2 to make sure that it works in collaboration or in coexistence with GSMR. There's no other way.
Thank you for that, Dan.